So we are on Summer Street. And the last time we were down here, we wanted to go down the Italian Express Pizzeria, but they weren't open. But little to know to finding out that Guy Fieri actually been to a place called The Quiet Few, which is over here on 331 Summer Street. So we're gonna go in and get, what burger is it?
The Hell Yeah burger.
We're gonna go get that Hell Yeah burger, and we're gonna see you guys in a soon. All right, so I ended up getting the Hell Yeah burger, which comes with it's a double stack smash burger with their secret patty. They use griddle pickles, their Hell Yeah sauce, American cheese, smoked onion, shredded, which is probably shredded lettuce, and griddle pickles on the sesame seed toasted brioche bun. So we're gonna dig in right now. That's a burger right there. I actually like the pickles too. The Hell Yeah sauce has some kind of a peppery kick, and the smoked onion, it really pops in the mouth. Hold on. What is it?
It's, the burger's made with beef and pork, so the pork gives it that extra like bacon taste. And the Hell Yeah sauce is excellent.
You got it right there. You said the Hell Yeah sauce is excellent. I just got the burger. I didn't want no side with it. Those griddle pickles. Those griddle pickles are falling out like I'm at a casino slot machine, popping out those quarters. To wash it down, I have a Harpoon Red League, which I don't recommend, but that's the only beer I never had here.
bite into that burger and say, hell yeah.
Oh yeah. You get a lot of smoke flavor from the bacon though.
Yeah,
The ground
especially
bacon.
with
Yeah.
the pork,
Uh-huh.
it's got that bacon flavor, and it gives it that extra, you know. Which, I've never had it a burger. Really?
Clover leaf.
Huh?
Clover. The leaf has one. They call it the bacon fusion burger. Now, when Guy was here, he also had the Caramello Soprano, but I don't see it here on. I don't see it on here on the menu. They don't have the mozzarella sticks anymore either. They don't have the mozzarella sticks anymore. No. So, if you're in East Boston, come to 331 Summer Street to the Quiet View. And if you love bourbon and whiskey, you come here because they have, that's all bourbon and whiskey right there. And I love my bourbon and whiskey too, but that's a lot. So that's my second take. Until next time, see you guys soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and oh hell yeah.